Hi grade 6s. So today we're going to be starting our new topic on provincial government. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to find the definitions for all of these words on your page, and then you can continue on with your notes following this PowerPoint. Alright, so why do we need a provincial government? The job of Alberta's provincial government is to take care of the people of Alberta. The provincial government does two main things for the people of the province. Number one, provincial government provides services. Number two, the provincial government makes laws. So use page 130 in the textbook to fill out the web on page 5 of your booklet, and then answer the thinking it through question below. Not everyone in Alberta makes identical use of services provided by the provincial government. How are provincial government services an example of promoting equity in a democracy? So please make sure you're answering in complete sentences with detail, and then you can hand it in the blue bin when you're done.